Bet you guys never thought I'd be playing Gorilla Tag again. Oh wow, look at how great this. Wait, this isn't Gorilla Tag. What is this? Oh, this music jamming though. Y'all hear this? This Gorilla Tag update is crazy, man. What's down here? Oh, what the? Oh god, my head. Oh, what's down here? What's that sound, dude? Who's beating on my walls, bro? Bro, well, hold on. This place is kind of scary, bro. Okay, I really don't like this place. It's kind of creepy, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh, nah, bro. Yo, what? Why is it getting faster? Nah. Nah, G, I don't like that. Nah, G. Hold on. Why is it getting faster? Why is it getting faster? Yo, I'm actually, like, tripping balls right now, dude. What's inside the cage? Oh. Okay, let's just walk through the force field. Whee! What is that? Am I spectating somebody? What is this? Hello? Ah! Fuck! Oh god, okay. I did not expect you. Why do you look like that? No. The fuck away from me. I really didn't expect that big ass monkey to be here, man. I don't like how closed it is because I can't hop around. What happened to... Hello? No. Okay, hello, Mr. Monkey. Oh god, okay, somebody really does not like me. Oh god, what has happened to Gorilla Tag, man? Hello there. What do I do down here? There's gotta be an objective. This game is incredibly cursed. That is for sure. Monkey, you'll never find me. No. Monkey. Monkey! Leave me alone! Monkey! Monkey. Come on. Oh, that thing is really terrifying. Here we are. Yay! Back to the light. Oh no. Monkey! Monkey! Leave me alone, monkey! Oh, jeez. Okay. Calm down. Oh, shit. Monkey, okay. I'm gonna back up here. I think Gorilla Tag has really gone off the deep end here, guys. Oh my god, I'm never gonna get up this tree. No. Bro, I'm about to punch something. I can already feel it. Oh my god, bro. Real content. And I'm gonna make it. Yes. What's in here? Oh. Take me higher. Whoa, too high. What the fuck? I'm in space now. Okay. Oh, very nice bubbles. Oh, hold on, I never saw this. Where does this hallway lead? Wow, it's a pool, bro. It's so nice. All by myself. Oh, hello there. I'm so sexy. Never mind. There we go. Easy. This is a children's game, for crying out loud, and I can't even climb this. I'm done with the pool, bro. Yeah, there's a dead monkey right there. Monkey, you good? Alright, we good. We're on good terms, me and him now. You get like maybe it turns the lights on back here. It does literally nothing. Oh no. Monkey? No, monkey! Nah, monkey, leave me alone! Oh, sometimes I feel like he's just right behind me, touching my butt, man. I don't know what I'm supposed to do down here. Monkey. I think I've had enough of Gorilla Tag for today. I don't know what's wrong with this game anymore. I think that's the last time I'll ever play Gorilla Tag. About had a heart attack here.
But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And sorry for such a short upload. I have a lot of stuff going on right now. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe because I got a lot more bangers coming out soon. But anyways, guys, peace out.